So guys, I'm here at Maracas Lookout, and here at the lookout they have two types of vendors that sell all these Trini delicacies, and they have a wide range from, they have salted mango to tulum. We have dasheen chips, plantain chips. Auntie, tell me, what is your most popular snack?
Well, the public really like chow.
Chow.
Yeah, we have the pineapple, mango chow, cucumber, parsley, and sausage.
Okay. Okay. And here we have bene, so you don't have to go all the way to Tobago anymore to get bene. You can get your bene here. Do you guys make this yourself? And you have rice cake here?
Yeah.
And you make this yourself?
No, actually rice cake I bought, but the bene
Yes. So, Auntie, what's your name?
My name is Julie.
Judy?
Julie.
Julie. So her name is Julie. And how long have you been in business here?
About 15 to 20 years.
Wow, that's long.
Actually, it's a family business. We go from generation to generation.
Okay, that's nice. So you guys see the wide array of snacks they carry, and the both stalls should have almost the same items. So here we have Sandra.
That's my niece, Eden. Is my niece.
So she's named the stall after her niece Eden. And we have a wide array of sweets again here. Almost the same as the other store, but I see some different things here. Here I see soursop fudge and cherry fudge. I've never seen those items anywhere before. We also have some of the Indian delicacies here. We have pera, barfi. Here we have gulab jamun, but I call it fat kurma. And if you wanted a taste of everything, they also have it packaged in smaller packs where you can get one of each item. So let's see what else you have. She has pepper sauce, pachilla, nuts, a wide array of preserves. Here we have chili bibi, which is made from dried corn that you patch and then you grind into this powder and sweeten with sugar. So Auntie, thank you so much for allowing me to showcase what you have here at the lookout. So guys, make sure when you're heading to Maracas, you have to stop here at the Maracas Lookout and come and sample some of these goodies.
And I'm seeing happiness on her face. When you're taking she to the bay. Today she will have a nice day. With a wonderful smile. You got a beautiful hairstyle. And I say so far, she looks like the daughter of a Raja with plenty paisa. I like that.